Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1970 Plymouth Duster factory FE5 red car, matching numbers, 340 engine. Great car, guys. Recent body up restoration. Bought this car right at a Mopar show. Matter of fact, this guy was a friend of a good buddy of ours, Chad, that knows these Dusters about as good as anybody I can tell you that knows them. Great car, again, recent restoration. It is a matching numbers 340 car. Just a good, solid, straight body. Really nice A-body car, guys. The car runs and drives excellent, and really just a pretty car. It's got Goodyear Eagle GTs all the way around it with the factory 14-inch Rallyes. Chrome and stainless is very nice. Really pretty car. A couple little stone pecks that I seen on the car. Not a whole lot to pick. Little touch-up marks there. Front bumper looks new. And again, this is a factory FE5 Rallye red car. It's a factory E4 red vinyl interior car as well, and then they've got some custom material on the seats, but it's a factory red car. Nice car, guys. Really handles nice. Nice and straight down the sides. New rear bumper. It's got the chrome tips. Good looking car. Factory front disc brakes. Matter of fact, I learned this from my buddy Chad. All 70 Duster 340s have front disc brakes. Again, matching numbers engine. It's got an Edelbrock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Detailed up very nice underneath the hood, guys. Mopar radiator with a shroud. It's got electronic ignition. Very nice car. Matching numbers trans. Fender tag. Nice car. Turn the key, take this car right to the show. It's that kind of car, guys. Door handles. Here's your door tag. Again, factory red on red car. That is not a stock material, but he said it's a stock seats. 24,946 on the odometer. I'm assuming that's 124. Factory dash and gauges. It's got the factory AM radio, the original owner's manuals in the glove box there. Dual exhaust. It's a stock 8 3/4 rear end. It's got a 355 gear. They replaced the quarter on the passenger side. I'm sorry, on the driver's side. The passenger side looks like it's original. It's got the factory jack with the spare. I think your trunk panel's all original. It's got the gull wing. Car's nice and clean underneath. Car's got slick paint on it, guys. Steering wheel's nice, dash is real nice. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Just a pretty car. Parking brake. Yep. Parking brake does work, guys. Looks like all your gauges in there are functional. Factory AM radio works. Backup lights work. Yeah, radio works, blower motor works. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Got a bunch of new stuff. Unfortunately, I don't have advertised, guys. But you keep track of our site through southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Great day, guys.